parang it's fulfilling for me as a nurse. Ang buhay ng tao, very short lang talaga. Minsan nakikita mo lang, naglalakad lang, then tomorrow, ay, wala na pala to. Parang you have to value everything that you have. Kasi yung buhay ng tao, dadaan lang yan once. So, just value everything. I'm really enjoying the journey. Please, God. I mean, kahit masakit siya, parang you see every positive thing. Sige, sacrifice muna, pero at the end of the road, parang it will all be worth it. Kasi win-win situation. Ano man ang mangyari, I will gain from this. Kasi all of the 50 candidates are all winners now.
Farul Shah, 24, Pangasinan. I was brought up in a house where my dad's Indian and he's Hindu, with a mother who's Filipina and who's Christian, in a country which is actually very religious Muslim country, which is Dubai. And my dad brought me up and my mom brought me up. One thing and one thing only. Rule, you have to remember two things in life, and that is humility and respect. And if you master both of these, you'll get anywhere in life. Dad showed us life in a very simplest way. You don't pick up money on the road. You actually have to work hard, forgetting where you are and where you want to be.
Shana Pua, 25, Agusan del Sur. I used to work as a welcome ambassador. Girls na position sa lobby, and then you just welcome the guests, you entertain them, and if they have questions regarding the hotel facilities, well, the experience is challenging because it's hard if you're working abroad, and then your family is in the Philippines. So you experience homesick, kasi when I was a child, every Sunday after church, nagkakaroon kami ng family bonding. Kasi ang Chinese, they're like us din eh. Nakikita ko yung family together, minsan nasa park, nagpipicnic, and nakakaingit lang yung feeling na parang, parang it's been a long time na na-experience ko yung gano'n. Pero at the end of the day, after everything, tapos may experience ka ng mga hardship, ang sarap ng feeling na you were able to overcome those challenges sa life mo.
Casey Gonzalez Kahanig, 20, General Santos City. I've been modeling for 8 years now. I started at the age of 13. I am a runner-up in Ford Model Supermodel of the World Philippines 2008, and I was able to represent our country, Philippines, in Taiwan, and I won second Miss Photogenic. 2010, I was sent by my school in Hanbat National University in South Korea as an academic exchange student. When I was in Korea, sobrang nahirapan ako mag-adjust first sa weather and then sa food. Never pa ako nagkaroon ng boyfriend kasi gusto ko muna mag-focus sa career ko. I believe naman na hindi ko kailangan magmadali kasi it will come at the right time.
Angel May Villafuerte, 21, Naga City, Bicol Region. I choose to volunteer for the Philippine education because I grew up in a family that knows how to share. Actually po, mahilig kasi mag-ampun yung papa ko kasi sa bahay namin minsan may mga helpers din, tapos parang nagiging extended family. Nakita ko nung mismong nandun kami is yung pag nagbibigay kami ng pagkain sa kanila, tapos parang konti na lang yung food pero sinusave nila para sabi natin naman, bakit mo inahati yung ano? Sabi niya, ay para kasi sa magulang daw niya or yung sa iba niya pang kapatid. Parang for one person lang yung food. I think it's being innocent. Yung kasi minsan pag tumatanda ka, di ba? Masyado ka nang nag-iisip. Nakakalimutan mo lang minsan na simple lang yung buhay.
I'm Elaine Bakay, 22, Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. Ang buhay sa probinsya, napakasimple lang po kung compare dito sa Manila. Doon, lahat ng kapitbahay ko, kaibigan ko, kapag sumasali ako ng pageant, lahat alam, lahat street lalaki, ganyan. Sarap na yan. Siyempre, sinasacrifice ko yung time ko that should be spending with my family, with my loved one. Kaya lang kung iisipin mo kasi, hindi naman lahat ng dalaga sa Pilipinas na bibigyan ng chance maging candidate ng Binibining Pilipinas eh. Parang it's a privilege. So, sasayangin ko ba yung chance na to, yung opportunity na to na ma-enjoy, na maikuwento ko sa magiging apo ko in the future na naging part ako niyan eh, ng Binibining Pilipinas.
Binibinis, all the experience that you have gone through, lahat beyond, it has shaped you to become the beautiful woman that you all are today. So stay positive, work hard for your dreams, and good luck to all of you. When we return, Binibining Pilipinas International 2012 Nicole Schmitz with our last batch of Golden Binibinis. So stay right where you are.